Welcome back to Motor Vision, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, latest automotive trends, and future mobility insights. If you love cars and tech, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we have something special for you, the 2025 BYD Atto 3. This electric SUV has been making waves in the EV market with its cutting-edge design, improved performance, and smart features. BYD has already established itself as a strong player in the electric vehicle space, and with the new Atto 3, they are taking things to the next level. At first glance, the 2025 Atto 3 stands out with its refreshed look. It retains its signature dragon face design but with sharper LED headlights, a more aerodynamic front grille, and sleek body lines that enhance its sporty appeal. The new alloy wheels and updated rear lights give it a futuristic presence on the road. It's not just about looks though, every aspect of the design is optimized for efficiency, including improved aerodynamics to boost range. Step inside, and you're greeted with a high-tech, spacious cabin. The rotating infotainment screen, a signature feature of BYD, is now even more responsive and supports the latest software updates. The dashboard has a clean, modern layout with soft-touch materials and ambient lighting that create a premium feel. The new AI-powered voice assistant and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration make connectivity seamless. Plus, the updated steering wheel and digital driver display provide real-time driving information in an intuitive manner. Comfort is key in the 2025 Atto 3. The seats are ergonomically designed with improved lumbar support and premium upholstery options. Both front and rear passengers get ample legroom, and the panoramic sunroof adds to the airy feel of the cabin. BYD has also enhanced the soundproofing, making the ride quieter than ever. Now let's talk about performance. The 2025 Atto 3 comes with an upgraded electric motor that delivers more power and better efficiency. The standard variant offers around 210 horsepower, while the performance variant bumps it up to nearly 230 horsepower. Acceleration is smooth and instant, taking you from 0 to 100 km per hour in just under 7 seconds. The biggest highlight is the new Blade battery technology. BYD has improved its energy density and charging speed, giving the Atto 3 an impressive range of up to 500 km on a full charge, depending on the variant. Fast charging capabilities mean you can charge from 10 to 80% in just 30 minutes, making long-distance travel more convenient. Safety is a top priority, and the Atto 3 is packed with advanced driver assistance systems. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking ensure a secure driving experience. The new 360-degree camera system and parking assist make maneuvering in tight spaces effortless. BYD has also strengthened the car's structural integrity for better crash protection. With the 2025 BYD Atto 3, you're getting a stylish, tech-packed, and efficient electric SUV at a competitive price. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to switch to an EV without compromising on performance or comfort. If you're in the market for a practical yet futuristic electric SUV, the Atto 3 should definitely be on your list. What do you think about the new BYD Atto 3? Would you consider buying it? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Motor Vision for more exciting car content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.